Hey guys, welcome back to another linear pattern exercise. Today we're going to be focusing on a different number. Last week was 8, 6 with the hands and 2 with the feet. Anyone who missed it, go back and check it. If you don't, basically think of one bar, 16 notes, and what we're doing is we're dividing that up into numbers rather than just the notes. So for this week we're going to do 4, and that's pretty simple. It's 2 with the hands and 2 with the feet. So it's going to sound like this. Same as last week, start speeding it up. And so on and so forth. So then what you're going to do is, like we did last week, 16 notes. Get it into a format of 16 notes. So do the same exercise that we did before. Play a full bar of 16 notes with the hands, and then go into this new format with 2 with the hands and 2 with the feet, a full bar. For instance, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and keep doing that until you become nice and fluid with it. The whole time thinking about the 16 note pattern that you're playing. This is important because you don't want it to go into 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it around the drum kit, constantly thinking about the 16 note. And literally sky's the limit. Again, take it to wherever you want to go. Let your creative juices start flowing. And that's the second lesson. Come back next week, we'll go for number 3. Take it easy guys, have a good one, bye-bye.
Guys, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like what you've seen here today, you can see a lot more videos. Just click on any of them here on the screen.